Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 3 of August, saving $6-ish a day towards some goals. So I am still trying to get through a lot of my minis. I've added a few, so it's not going down as fast, but it's still kind of fun to be able to look back at some of these that I haven't seen for a while. So we are working with the prop coins and dashboards from Kimmy's Corner. We've got this super cute lemon theme, and I brought in some pink and yellows. So I have my pink little dice tower that I got off Etsy that looks like a little mushroom. It's so cute. I got my little yellow candle, and I have $12. So if you have not seen the other 2 videos, I will link the start of the playlist because I do a playlist for every month that I'm doing my daily videos. So we have, and I mean me, I have this category that I'm working towards. So I picked one. This is the first time I'm doing it. I picked my $1,000 savings from my 1,000th video freebie that I gave out on my Ko-fi. So we've already done day 1 and day 2. So I'm just circling it after I roll. I'm not really writing down the amount that I'm saving because that's not, I don't care about that. I'm not really tracking that because whatever's in here will go towards my $1,000 challenge that I will now be doing in my Friday videos. So we have $12. I can't believe the last 2 days, spoiler alert if you have not watched it yet, I rolled a 6 each time for this. So I'm thinking this is a great way, because I always roll 1s, for me to be able to bring a little bit more money for my minis during, my daily minis. So here's to see what we can do 3 days in a row. So I'm using my Ursula die, a little blinged out Ursula die with the little, for her eyeshadow. So I've got that. I've got my $12. Let's see how much of this 6 will go towards my $1,000 savings, or what will go towards extra towards my minis. I was gonna say we did not get 6 in a row because I didn't know if I wanted to have those 3 numbers lined up, but we did get $4. So let's take a 1, and I'm going to put a 5 back. So that is going to be our $4 going into here. And then I'm going to color in a circle. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 in here. I'm just coloring in a circle just because I like coloring in circles. I could write the number in that I'm saving, and I just have this, I made this for me, so I'm not selling it or anything, but it's just something I wanted to kind of keep track of. I see Anna at Anna Banana Budgets and Dawn and do the daily roll, so I thought this was going to be kind of my version. Since I don't do a video every day, I do a daily video, so I thought I could add more money to my dailies, which is now we get to add $2 to it. So now we have, instead of 6, we have 8. So let me get my $6 in prop coins out here. So now I actually get to go back here and pull out $2 worth of prop coins. So we have 50 and 1, 50 and 2. So I'll put 4 50-cent pieces in there. I do have more 25s. Nope, let's do the 50. Let's bump it up a little bit. Now the question will be, do I remember to remove that at the end? I should, because they're 50-cent pieces and we only have 25. All right. Full disclosure, I am filming this in advance, so I do not know if you left comments on how you prefer doing these challenges, but I think I'm going to leave it in the binder again. But let me put in my $8 of savings. That's pretty cool. All right, so we're going to go to the paper clip, which is at number 4. I've got my little mushroom ready to go, my D3. Let's mix in some of these 50-cent pieces. Oh, nope. Oh my goodness. Oh, I dropped one. Can't reach it. There we go. All right, so now we're going to mix them up again. Who knows? They're probably going to end up next to each other anyway. That's okay. Whatever happens, happens, right? Okay. So we're going to start at number 4. 1, 2, and 3. Number 5. 1, number 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, back to 4. We got 1 for 4. There's a 50-cent piece. 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. Go back to 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. Oh, and our last one is 50 cents, which will go on 3, and we will start at 4 again. Okay. No. Okay. And these are the Pen and Gear Classic markers. They write pretty good. They do smear a little bit with the black ink, but the colors are pretty true to the tip, to the cap. Oh no, I'm gonna giggle like a child. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1.25 going into number 1. And we have this one from Mindy at SW Fanatic Save. So we can do 5 TVs. So 1, 2. Oh, so that's 50 cents. I'm gonna do this 50 cents down here, which didn't smear. That's pretty good. So that's $1, and then I can do another 25. I remembered to do the 50. So we have 75 more cents, and this one will be done. Now I have to make sure all of these are 25 and separate them. Okay. All right, so number 2 got $1.50, all 25. This one is from Saving with Sam, so we can do 4, 5, 6 more arrows. I'm gonna get my green, and I'll be right back. All right, so we have 50 more cents and this one will be done. That's so cool. Reduce, reuse, recycle. And these should all be 25 cents. Yes, okay. Number 3. Ooh, number 3 got 50 cents. So it got $1.25. This one is mine. This is free on my Ko-fi. Oh, just missed it. We're 1 shy. So let's do the pink. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So we will finish this one tomorrow, and you can get this on my Ko-fi. So then we have to put the 25s here and this one back here. All right, number 4. Ooh, number 4 got $1.50. Number 4 is this really cute one from Cynthia Budgets with this adorable little bungalow by the beach. I see the 50-cent piece here, so I am going to grab that first. So we have 50, 25, 50, and then 25. So we finished this with $1.25. 25s go here, 50 go there. That one's for the next one. So yay, we finished one for $4. This is going to Dog Supplies. That is correct. So we need a new one. Let's see. Let's use this super cute one from Save with Judy. Love it. So we can do 25 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will save $5. All right, so that is good to go with our 25 cents. We will start there tomorrow. All right, number 5. Number 5 got $1, but it did get one of the 50 cents. All right, we have this cute one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we are going to go 25, 50, 75, $1. Just panicked that my sound wasn't working, but it is. Okay. That little click is so satisfying. All right, so we can do 25 cents go here, 50 cents go back over here. You can't quite see what I'm doing. I'm just separating them so I can put them back and not mix up my amount, because I know I'm bringing $6 a day for my dailies. Oh goodness. All right, number 6. Number 6 got $1 all quarters and $1.50 all quarters. So we should have 4 here, and we do. Perfect. All right, this one is $1.50. Oh my gosh, we finished this one. This is the Dresden Files one from Amanda O. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. So we can take all of this away. Put this here. That saved us $6. Going to the shark binder. Yes. And then we need a new one out of our queue. Okay, this was a in my members July mailing for BFFs. So I think I'm going to do my little bee because it's got the little yellow, and it's going to go to, it says shark, but this one I'll do the bee binder. So let's do 25 cents. Okay. Let's put bee on here. Just so I know what I'm doing later. Oh my goodness, we finished some. All right, so let's go back to the front. So we're gonna put our $6 worth of 25-cent prop coins that do not need to be mixed up because they're all 25 cents. Perfect. We're gonna take this $2 worth, and I'm just gonna stick it right there with the extras. And now we will go to our bank, and we need $4 and $6. Shark and dog supplies. Okay. Okay, so we've got $6, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4 for dog supplies. This goes back into the bank. And let's see. I think for the shark one, is this my binder? Yes. Yes, this was actual shark. Well, we're here for dog supplies, so let's put this one right here. And then we're going to go back to the shark and put that there. Perfect. So that is stuffed, and we can put 2 more challenges into our completed section. And again, these are from Kimmy's Corner. You can get them on our Etsy. I will have them linked. They are just so pretty. 5 is I love, but 6 with the little faces, oh goodness gracious. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today for day 3 of saving $6-ish a day in August. I hope you can come back tomorrow and see how much I can save and see what I roll for my 1,000 savings challenge. And until next time, take care. Bye.